Katie Price fans were united in their concern after the former glamour model took son Harvey to a wild club night. The pair boogied and greeted fans with high fives at the Acapulco bar in Halifax. 5. Katie Price fans have expressed the same concern over taking son Harvey to a club nightCredit, splash. 5. Harvey, 19, was seen posing with female fans in HalifaxCredit, splash. Harvey, 19, who has Prader-Willi Syndrome, diabetes and autism, danced happily and posed with fans while they chanted his name. Harvey filmed the crowd's adoration before posing for an image set in between female admirers. Proud mom Katie shared videos of Harvey's fun night to her TikTok, where she labeled him Happy Harvey. Yet fans weren't convinced her eldest was that happy. One took to Facebook to rage, "This makes me sick to see her charging for Harvey to do guest appearances. He hates loud noise, crowds of people. She is making a fool out of him." Another wrote of the mom of 5, "She should be ashamed of herself, making money out of Harvey. In this way absolutely disgusting. Something should be done about this, exploiting Harvey in this way, just to make some money." A third commented, "Shame on her and shame on the club allowing this poor Harvey." One then posted, "Club appearance are no place for Harvey. His mother is shameless, pouting face," as one agreed and added, "No, Harvey does not look happy, crying face. She should never put her kids in a situation like that. He looks terrified, crying face, crying face, crying face." Another followed with the words, "Harvey looks frightened to death. Katie, you should be ashamed of yourself." One then surmised, "I genuinely like Kate, but I have to be honest, on times I shake my head at the choices she makes. This is exploitation, poor Harvey. Shame on her." The Sun revealed last week that Katie had secured a £6,000 fee for their appearance at the club, where drinks cost as little as 75p. A source said, "Katie normally charges more, but she's agreed to appear for £6,000 as she's keen for Harvey to make his own money. It'll all go into his bank account for when he's older. It's £10 for a meet and greet, so the club can pay her fee easily. People will be queuing up to meet them." A message on the club's website said, "Reality legend Katie Price visits Acapulco nightclub in Halifax once again, this time bringing her son Harvey to the party." Katie posted on Instagram, "Halifax, here we go with Harvey's first-time club appearance and first time in a club." 5. Harvey, 19, who has Prader-Willi Syndrome, diabetes and autism, listened to fans chant his name credit, splash. 5. Fans were worried how Katie was exploiting her son credit, splash. 5. They argued how the club night was not ideal for the teen credit, Instagram. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun showbiz team?" Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.